Are you a WWE fanatic looking for the latest news without the hassle of copyright strikes? Imagine getting all the juicy updates, using 100% free tools, and staying completely anonymous. Tune in to discover how to build your own faceless WWE news channel and dominate the wrestling world without ever revealing your identity. Did you grow up watching WWF, now known as WWE? If you're a 90s kid, chances are you did. Whether you're a die-hard fan of The Undertaker, Kane, The Rock, Kurt Angle, or Stone Cold Steve Austin, I've got something special for you. Discover how to create a faceless WWE news channel using 100% free tools without any copyright hassles. Stay anonymous and keep the wrestling spirit alive. WWE's popularity remains strong, just as it was 20 to 30 years ago. Today, stars like Brock Lesnar, Roman Reigns, John Cena, and CM Punk are seen as legends of our time. WWE isn't just big on TV, it also has over 100 million subscribers on YouTube. WWE's popularity isn't just limited to the USA, it has fans in the subcontinent and all over the world. With a following in the billions, wrestling has become a global phenomenon. This immense popularity extends to WWE-related content, making news channels that focus on wrestling highly popular. Here are some of the YouTube automation top channels, primarily based in the USA, that focus exclusively on WWE content. They bring the latest news, updates, and insights about our favorite WWE superstars and events. WWE fans eagerly follow Friday Night SmackDown, Monday Night Raw, and all the main events like WrestleMania, Survivor Series, and King of the Ring. Each No Face No Voice YouTube channel monetization show and event garners massive interest from fans worldwide. On various cash cow WWE faceless channels, and highest CPM niches on YouTube, especially those based in the USA, you can stay updated with the latest news about WWE's leading stars. These faceless WWE channels cover every major event and keep you informed about your favorite wrestlers. WWE content is hugely popular, especially on USA-based channels that produce faceless WWE videos in English. These channels often have millions of subscribers, showing just how widespread the love for wrestling is. This popularity isn't limited to wrestling-specific channels, many sports-based USA channels also create wrestling content in English and have large followings. Seeing this, you might wonder, can you create your own faceless channel about wrestling? Absolutely! In this video, we'll explore how you can start your own faceless wrestling channel and join this exciting community. What about copyright? Can you monetize a channel by creating such content? Well, the answer is both yes and no. It depends on how you create and use your content. In a moment, we'll explore the monetization status of some popular channels to give you a clear idea. By examining these examples, you'll see what works and what doesn't when it comes to monetizing your channel. To check if a channel is monetized, you can use a free Google Chrome extension called Nextleave. I'll provide the link in the description below. Download and install the extension, then refresh the YouTube channels you're interested in. You'll see the monetization status of each channel, showing how they manage to monetize their content. Now, I've displayed the monetization status of these channels, and they're all monetized. But why is this the case, and doesn't it involve copyright issues? These channels, along with YouTube, are earning money through ads. We plan to adopt similar strategies for our future videos. So, these channels are monetized, but what about their income? How much money do they make? According to Social Blade data, these channels are generating a significant amount of monthly and yearly revenue. You can observe the income range they potentially earn here. Regardless of whether you trust these figures, it's evident that all these channels are monetized. I've already demonstrated this to you. If you follow the same process to create your channel, it will also be fully monetized. However, if you make two specific common mistakes, which I'll discuss later, monetization could be out of reach. Then, you might say it's like digging a mountain and finding a mouse. So, pay close attention to each step. By the end of this video, everything from avoiding copyright issues to achieving monetization will be crystal clear. So, let's get started. Before we proceed further in this video, I want to address a significant misunderstanding. If you upload the original clip of WWE without understanding copyright laws, what exactly are you achieving by paying YouTube? It's common sense to recognize and avoid copyrighted material. First and foremost, I'll showcase some videos from these monetized channels to illustrate my point. Now, after viewing these videos, you'll notice a pattern for yourself. You can see that all the monetized channels refrain from using any original WWE clips in their content. Instead, they utilize only images and their own material. You can verify this 100% by checking their voiceover and minor editing, and then watching their videos. This should help you believe it. However, avoiding original WWE clips alone isn't sufficient to ensure copyright compliance. You'll also need to steer clear of two other things, which I'll explain in the upcoming steps. Now that we understand the pattern for creating a video, let's discuss the content. We'll start by selecting a topic, gathering news articles related to it, and then sourcing relevant images. If you're wondering where to find all this, the best option for WWE-related news and the latest updates is WWE.com, which is the official website. Here, you can find news related to upcoming WWE events such as WrestleMania, King of the Ring, or any other major events that are scheduled to take place. In addition to upcoming events, you'll also find updates on everything happening within WWE here. This website is a reliable source to keep yourself updated. Furthermore, there are other dedicated sites displayed on the screen. These are primarily focused on WWE-related content, providing comprehensive information about the latest happenings and insights into the world of wrestling. You can visit these sites for more detailed coverage. You can also refer to all these sites mentioned. I'll provide the links in the description below so you can explore them further. Here, you'll find articles covering matches and news related to the topics you want to feature in your video. You can open one of these articles, or if you prefer, you can open 2 or 3 similar ones. We'll use these articles to craft the script for our video. For example, if I were to create a video about the recent rivalry between Cody Rhodes and The Rock, which has gained significant hype since the match between The Rock and Roman Reigns versus Cody Rhodes and Seth Rollins at WrestleMania 40, I would open the article related to it here, as you can see. To create the script for our video, we'll simply copy the main content from this article and paste it into a plain document. We'll extract the main highlights we need from here to craft our video. If you're here to create a script for your YouTube video, you're in the right place. However, please don't simply copy and paste this article into your script. Instead, we'll work together to revise it properly using ChatGPT. Let's get started below to complete the article revision and create an engaging YouTube video. Now, we'll review the entire article and provide you with the script for the video. You can find the exact script in the description below. This updated script is now available for you to use. Your task is to create your own voiceover using this new script. My suggestion is that you utilize your own voice for the voiceover. However, if your accent isn't in tune with English, I recommend using Clipchamp. After signing up, click on Text-to-Speech, then set the language to the United States. Choose any voiceover artist you prefer. I'll go with Andrew. Next, copy and paste the voiceover script into the voiceover generation box, then click on Save. Afterward, copy and paste the entire script, then click on the Export button to save the voiceover to your device. Now, you'll need relevant images for your video since we'll only be using images and not any copyrighted videos. You don't need to go elsewhere to download images separately. You can download relevant images from these articles and use them. With a bit of editing, you can easily incorporate them into your video. If you can't find images in these articles, you can simply go to google.com and find relevant images there. Now that we have all the images and voiceovers ready, let's move on to our final and main step. I prefer using CapCut on PC for editing. Click on the CapCut logo, then open CapCut. By clicking on Import, you need to bring in all your files, including images and voiceover files. Once they're imported, drag the voiceover file down to the timeline. From there, you can adjust the volume of the voiceover as needed, either increasing or decreasing it. As per your requirement, we'll choose the aspect ratio of the video as 16:9 since we're creating a long video. After that, simply drag the images one by one according to your script and place them onto the timeline. You'll want to bring all the relevant scene images down to the timeline in the same sequence as your script. Ensure that each image's duration is around 5 or 6 seconds or less, with another image following immediately afterward. The default image duration is typically set to 5 seconds, so you can adjust accordingly. You'll need to maintain this pattern consistently throughout the entire video, with each image appearing for around 5 to 6 seconds. If you need more images, refer to the sources I mentioned earlier. If you still run short, you can take screenshots from the video and use them as images. Now that the duration and sequence of all the images are set, it's time to add animations to each one. Click on an image and go to the animation option in the sidebar. Choose an animation from the available options and adjust the duration to be relatively slow for a smoother effect. Repeat this process for each image until animations are added to all. Simple and easy. To enhance your video, you can add effects by selecting the Effects tab above. Choose the effect that best suits your preference. You can opt for a single effect for all the videos or mix and match different effects, it's entirely up to you. Additionally, you have the option to apply filters, though this is entirely optional. The more refined your editing, the better the outcome, and it also helps to ensure compliance with copyright regulations. So, feel free to customize the editing according to your preferences. Lastly, since my video is in English, I'll utilize auto captions and add appealing captions throughout the video. I'll customize the text and caption settings for a polished look. Once done, the video is ready for download. I'll play it for you to review. If you have any questions about monetization, copyright, or anything else, feel free to ask in the comments. For further details on promotion, you can comment or DM me on Instagram. Let's watch the video together.
Ladies and gentlemen, wrestling fans from around the globe, welcome back to our channel. Today, we dive deep into the latest buzz in the WWE universe, Cody Rhodes and his mysterious interaction with The Rock on WWE Raw. Let's break it all down. Much like the dramatic season finale of How I Met Your Mother, where Marshall and Lily's storyline took a surprising turn, the rivalry between Cody Rhodes and The Rock is on a thrilling pause. WrestleMania 40 was a roller coaster, with The Rock defeating Rhodes in tag team action on night 1. But the real shocker came on night 2 when Rhodes, with some help, triumphed over Roman Reigns for the undisputed WWE Universal title. But the drama didn't stop there. On the Raw after WrestleMania, fans witnessed a cryptic moment. The Rock handed Cody Rhodes a mysterious object before making his exit. Speculation ran wild. What could it be? Cody Rhodes finally addressed this mystery on Busted Open Radio with co-host Bully Ray. But, in true wrestling fashion, his answer left us with more questions. Rhodes revealed, it wasn't $1, it was certainly more expensive than that. He explained that he offered an olive branch to The Rock and his team, showing respect for their contributions. However, The Rock wasn't on the same page and handed it right back. This is your go-to channel for everything wrestling. Stay tuned for more explosive content.
If you found this video helpful and gained new insights, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Your support means a lot to me. Stay tuned for more AI tutorials in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest AI updates. If you're curious about creating a faceless luxury cash cow YouTube channel for USA YouTube automation high CPM niche, click on left. If you're interested in new AI humanoid robot shakes up the industry, Unitree G1 Boston Dynamics and beats Tesla bot, click on right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.